good morning to you, sir.
Hello there, Greg. How you doing this morning?
I'm great, thank you. Hopefully you're doing well. You look great.
Yes.
Let's get right into it. Mike, Ottawa inks a deal for Ottawa inks a deal for a potential COVID-19 vaccine. What's going on there?
Okay, so the company is out of Maryland. It's called Novavax, and they say, and it's been confirmed by Ottawa now, that they're looking at 76 million doses of a COVID-19 vaccine that is currently in phase 2 clinical trials. So got to get phase 3 and then Health Canada approval. We're looking at the second quarter of next year for earliest delivery. That would be anytime after the month of March. So a lot of things have to go right here, obviously, but all of the governments are setting, just putting in these orders, advanced orders for vaccines. This comes just on the heels, though. Last week, we learned about this Canada-China joint venture that we're working on a vaccine. And yeah, that didn't go anywhere because I don't know what all went wrong, but it's back in China and not having much to do with Canadian researchers anymore. So nevertheless, it sounds promising. Fingers crossed. And we'll see. Again, as all of these companies, it's Pfizer, it's Moderna, a whole raft of them. There are 140 vaccines currently in the trial process, Greg. So hopefully one of those will be proven effective.
We need a vaccine, yes. All right.
Yep.
If you're flying with Westjet, you will need a mask.
Yep, effective tomorrow. Mandatory masks. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. And this comes after, well, some passengers refuse to put on a mask. And then that puts the security guards and the ticket agents at the front line of this saying, you got to wear a mask. And they get blowback, and it just goes on, right? So, and Westjet saying you want to fly, got to wear a mask. If not, you're pretty much going to be banned for a year. So they're putting a hard line on it.
And China makes a move to potentially block the sale of TikTok. TikTok in the news once again.
What didn't go away while I was off for a couple of weeks was this banter about TikTok. My kids are still on it, and I'm going, how does this thing make any money? Because I don't see any advertising. But Walmart wants to buy it, along with Microsoft, maybe Oracle, for $20 billion. And then, they'll buy it, and the kids will go, wait, there's advertising? I don't want to watch advertising. I will go to another platform. I digress. And the kids are fickle. Get off my lawn. But then China said, we want final say on a sale because it's owned by ByteDance out of China, and the whole thing about Trump banning TikTok because I think it's a conduit for spying, all this stuff. It's going to take, more time to figure out. And interesting, Microsoft, Walmart, and Oracle all down in early trading this morning. They were all up last week about a potential deal. We are watching quickly. Apple, record high, 4-for-1 stock split today. Tesla, 5-for-1 stock split, record high. Amazon, getting FAA approval for drone delivery. Greg, we're going to see drones buzzing about, dropping things off in our porch.
Boy. Yeah.
And then get off my lawn.
I'm surprised we're not seeing that right now, but we'll see it soon.
Well, they're in trials. UPS is doing some. Alphabet's Wing, they're all doing a couple of things. So we're going to start seeing this more and more. You got to figure.
All right. Thanks, Mike. We'll see you tomorrow.
All right.